Well, hello and welcome. Well, today we're going to go for quite a walk, quite a hike in the Bosque area. But right now I'm in a place called Los Ranchos, which is the North Valley of Albuquerque. Had to park quite a ways up there and just walk into a brand new place that I haven't ever heard of. So I wanted to go check it out. Let's go for that walk, see what it looks like. Very busy street right here. I think I've got to figure out a way to get down there. A lot of joggers out early on a very cold, windy day. I just love finding new trails. I thought it was going to be less windy, but no. The cold wind is sucking right through here. Some yucky water down here. Oh, slimy. We found the river. All right. Oh, it's quite muddy. Oh, it's moving pretty good. Beautiful shot there of the muddy Rio Grande. Whew. That ice wind goes right through you. The temperature's not bad, but that breeze, it is ice cold. Oh yeah? What, you warning me to not go this way? I don't see any trails. Shoot, I may have to go back up to the bicycle trail. I'd go up here on this little hill here. Well, other people have gone through here. Yeah, let's just keep exploring. I think it's more of a bicycle track. I headed back towards the river. Got a different view over here. Look at these yellowish blooms on this cactus. Pretty cool. Spring is here, but still quite cold. There's so many different views of the river. I need to slide down in there for sure. Okay, what did I get into here? Yeah, you can get through here. Just gotta watch out for that New Mexican olive, I think it is. It's It'll poke you good. Always thought it would be nice to have like a river walk here like they have in San Antonio. You may have to displace some of these cottonwoods, but I always thought that'd be pretty cool. Uh-oh. Found a dead end. Now, there's a little bit of trail right along the river. Let's keep going. Ooh, it's soggy. I don't want to fall in. Sprained my ankle too. It's kind of fun going through and find different tracks, different trails, not knowing exactly where you are. I know I'm going north because I've got the mountains on the right there and the river on the left, but these trails keep veering off one way or the other, so you don't know. Okay, goose. You may wonder, why am I out here in the cold? Why don't you just wait till it warms up? Well, that kind of reminds me, I think I've told this story before, but before I started making these videos, my life was pretty much to work, home, dinner, to bed, maybe on the weekends do the weekend chores, clean up around the house, shopping. That was it. I basically was, and I know this sounds a little over dramatic, but basically just sitting there waiting to die. And for some reason, I think the first time was someone at my work. I told him I got a bunch of like 80 crows. I got a little clip of them, and he goes, "Oh, you gonna put it on the internet?" I thought, I don't have anything on the internet. Then I was watching a lot of YouTube, and I go, I want to try that. So ever since then, it's been a few years now, 2.5 at least. And so this has actually kept me from sitting around wasting away. So I'll go out, rain or shine, what have you. I'm going to head up to the bike trail just to get my bearings, see where I am. Quite a view. Beautiful. The Rio Grande Valley here is so nice. A lot of nice homes. It's beautiful. Even in the winter, I think. It's a really nice place to just take a drive down Rio Grande Boulevard. Okay, I've been walking quite a ways. I can see some cars on the busy street. That was my goal. I think I bit off more than I can chew. Looks like some kind of water treatment or something right there. Wow, I didn't know that was there. Okay, I think I got my bearings now. I think I know where we are. I have been over there before. Alameda and Rio Grande. I think it's called Bosque, open space. But I've never taken this path this far south. So at least I know what that area looks like. Oh man, that's quite a walk, but we made it. We didn't give up, did we? No. This little pond in here, isn't that a beautiful picture? Got the sandias in the background there. A couple ducks in there. Becheche Family Memorial Rose Garden. I don't think we have any roses yet, but I sure love the roses, different flowers. Well, it's time to take a quick rest. That was a long walk, at least for me it was. Whew. Yeah, this is such a nice area. I've been here before, but I haven't been to where we walked from. But it's nice to find new areas, and it's nice to find familiar areas that you haven't been to for a while. I mean, like I say, different seasons, different time of the day. It makes a big difference. Plus, things have maybe been renovated, changed a little bit. But nothing like just being out in nature, cold or not. Before you know it's going to be too warm. I'll be complaining about that. Well, let's take a walk through the woods here. My final destination, if I hit my goal, is to go all the way to Rio Grande Boulevard and another boulevard called Alameda. That's quite a trip for me. Toad habitat. I don't see any toads. That's nice through here. Too bad you have the road real close. Here's another view station from the east side. These little ponds here. Not a lot of wildlife. I do see one duck down there. That's a pretty view though. I don't know why I'm torturing myself, but my goal was to get all the way into this corner of these two major streets, and gosh darn it, that's what I'm gonna do. This roadrunner thinks he's hiding. Beep beep, beep beep. Yeah, here's another one up here. Pretty good size. Woohoo! I made it! Oh, I love when I actually follow through. I hate giving up. So I told myself I was going to walk from there, from the car down to a new trail, all the way up here. Up to the bell keepers. Statues, monument. Love it. Well, I think I'm going to stop this video right here. Thank you so much for coming along. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoy hanging out with you. I don't think you want to watch me walk all the way back, so that'll be it for now. Other than, I'm sure I'll find some cool sights on the way out of this area. Always do. This or that. But thank you so much again for coming along. I got quite a hike to get back. So take care of yourself and those around you. Bye for now. Well, hello there. Just sitting around. That over there is just all zonked out. Hey, what's up, guys? Look at these fancy ones. That white one, that black one, they're all fluffy. Wow. Some great looking chicks. Didn't want to come talk to me. Bye.